Alright, let's jump right into it. Right, Maya? Yeah. So, got a little ACG cop for you. I know everybody likes that expensive ACG. So, yeah, let's show you guys what I got. First off, I saw this trucker hat a while ago, so I had my eyes on it, and I was like, this fits nice, better than the other hat. So, you know, go truckers. They did their protest, they did their thing, so I gotta rep their style. You know, they got some swagger, walking up into Parliament, honking their horns all day, being annoying motherfuckers like that. So we got this swag ACG trucker hat here. It's actually nice. I think it's got a reflective logo. Nice hard, what is the word? Material at the front. Kind of matching the material of the cap, like the duck, the beak. So this is the Legacy 91 ACG hat. One size, unisex, anybody can wear it, any size, big or small. You just move that little strap at the back. Strap, I don't know what it's called. What do they call that thing? Does not say, it just shows a picture of it. The little clicky-clacky strappy. The clicky-clacky strappy, that's a good name for it. And on the interior, we got the classic, you know, it comes with that cardboard to keep it in form. And then we got that, it's actually a very cushiony, like, what do you call this thing? Band around your head. Very cushiony band. And you got the all condition gear printed in white in the interior. Very nice. I could see that coming off on your head when you're sweaty though. Like the print just like kind of wiping off on your head. But oh well, looks cool, looks cool. And you got an ACG tag on the strappy, the clicky-clacky strappy machine right there. Very nice tag. I actually like that a lot. Classic black ACG logo, all condition gear. Through the interior, if you guys want to see a more detailed view of this hat, you can go to the end of the video and check out that preview that I always put in there. Let's listen to some tunes and see the details in 4K. Make sure you turn on that 4K. Yeah, on the interior, we got a nice little tag here, ACG, the ACG logo. And one size, Legacy 91, and then we got like a little rip-off tag. So it's made of like some cotton, some nylon, some polyester, all kind of materials going on. Made in Vietnam, and this is a 2021 release, so it's only like a year old. Fairly new release, and it's not bad. It's very like this whatever this thing's called, like the freaking headband. The thing that keeps it on your head is very, very, very squishy. You've got those air holes, just two on the front. Because the back is mesh, if you haven't noticed yet. Very mesh. And you got the little boom, the little thing on the top to keep it all together. And it's actually got a little check on the interior. You love to see details. Can you see that? Is it even... You love to see the details, you know what I mean? It's got a check on there. The little details are what matter to me. So, it's got a little hanger too, so I'm gonna hang that in my room till the time's right, and then I'm gonna break this bad boy out, take a photo shoot, and start wearing it all the time. Very excited for it. That ACG logo. Ooh, I hope that is reflective too. Cause it's like black, but it's like navy. Oh, it's iridescent. But then like this black, I don't even know. It's like a blackish, navy-ish, like colorway 010. So I don't know. It looks like so navy-ish and light. Cool, right? I'll put it on. Ignore my nasty hair. I'm taking a shower after this video. Yeah. This one actually fits me pretty good, so I like it. Yeah. And next product. ACG BEANIE. So this is color code 222, angel number, one size as well. Just that classic ACG beanie. The nice thick embroider logo here. Like look at how thick that ACG, it even like pops out. You can see it popping out. That's how thick the ACG embroider is on there. Very nice thick beanie. A very thick roll-up part, whatever you call these, cuff thing. And then we got an ACG tag on the interior, made in China, acrylic, polyester, nylon, rayon and 4% wool. What's rayon again? Is that bad or is that good? I forget. I heard some stuff about rayon, but I can't remember. So yeah, we got the green beanie. Ooh, that's like one of the most comfortable beanies I ever wore. Oh goddamn, I might have to wear this all night. And then I got the black one too, with that thick. The embroideries are like decent on it. That thick embroidery on here as well. It's a nice like ribbed beanie, color code 010. So yeah, I guess the other one's supposed to be black, but it's like with the iridescent on it, it just kind of makes it look navy. Yeah, and then we got the black one. A nice like ribbed, and it's like a finer rib around the cuff part, but then it's a thick rib around the head part. It's so comfy, bro. So yeah, stay till the very end if you want to see that preview. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for checking out the stuff. And let me know what you think. Let me know if you enjoyed the video. And, oh yeah. And there's a little sticker for my sticker collection. Make sure to like and subscribe so I can keep doing this. Thanks a lot, guys. Peace out. Let me know if you guys like ACG. I highly recommend it. One of my favorite brands right now. Like, as Nike, like part of Nike, like, and if anything, I prefer ACG. Like, that shit's so fire. Utility and like quality over quantity. You know what I mean? Like, just get that shit that'll last. You know, it's better for everyone, better for your environment, better for yourself. Good products, happy consumers. Yeah, thanks. See you guys. Going in circles, I thought I was really finished. That's so how will I stop fucking with it? Peace, earth, you don't say. Can you tell what model they use to explain that soil change? Don't brace that the heart remade. You fly to hold your name in the same city. I remember when you packed bags at Sainsbury's. You're loving on me cause I caused you stress. Find me to your home, it seems like I call you stress. Wouldn't say no, babe, I caused your push it down, run on me, settle for more, yeah. I still work a 9 a day. Understand your awful shame. I was once the same damn way, but you're fake damn lately. I've been missing mom for taking on your safety. Put your loving on me cause I caused your best. Find me to your home, it seems like I call you stress. Wouldn't say no, babe, I caused your push it down, run on me, settle for more, yeah.
When your name's Femi, it's not me. I don't even feel it, bro, because you know all them police pages and that.
The north side is looking out for me. Wanted to cry, but there's nothing that made me going in circles. I thought I was really finished. Got so how will I stop fucking with it? Cause you know the night day becomes a quiet place. The last thing I remember is the night or day. The north side is with me even in LA. Which one do you prefer? Well, I can choose, they're not the same. You're right, I might have packed too much this time. You know that I go missing, babe, not worth another fight. Can't cut me off, I wanna be. I can lie, I wanna stay.
It's when you shot it, Sainsbury's, man, gotta deal with emotions still.
Put your loving on me cause I caused you best. Find me to your home, it seems like I caused you stress. Wouldn't say no, babe, I caused you. Push it down, run on me, settle for more, yeah.
Sometimes it's about finding the magic in them things.